This video is about CSS syntax. So how we are going to do it. So let me just give you a basic idea of this syntax kind of structure. Okay. So for example, if we take this thing. So this is about a very basic syntax structure. So this is the sector one. So color we have mentioned. So this color is called a property. Okay. This is a property. We can paste it here also. So this is a property. And what is the value? The value is red. Okay. And then again, a font size is another property. If we talk about text alignment, so this is another property. So this is center. If I talk about font size like 12px or 15px, 20px in that way. Okay. So this we can do it in this example. This p elements will enter into the alignment as a text coloring. Okay, so this is the kind of scenario which we get to see. Okay, so P is the sector where the CSS, with the selector of the CSS, color is a property and text alignment is another property of this. Okay, and in this particular pattern we get to know this thing. Okay, so now remember that we can make changes here. In general, in these kind of colorings they do it with respect to a proper coding and all. Okay, and if we change here, you can change to red to maybe blue. Okay, you need to have a little bit of naming here, and this is maybe to the right. In that way we can make the basic changes which we are going to do it later on as well. Okay, now let's talk about the CSS selectors. So what are the CSS selectors? CSS selectors are used to find or select the HTML elements you want in style. Okay, so let me just give you an example of that thing. So this is one, the stylist here is a very direct thing. The stylist who dresses everyone on the runway. Okay. So the font family we have given like Arial, and this is the sans serif font will be, and everyone wears the same font. Okay. That's the kind of thing. Now what happens with the name tag stylist? Okay. So if I just do it, so the name tag stylist structure can be like this: a stylist who can only dresses people with specific job title. Okay, so heading one, okay, navy's color font size is 2.5, and then the button one, the background is gold, 10px in that way. What is a VIP stylist? VIP stylist is a stylist who dresses anyone with a VIP pass. Okay, so what is that thing?